welcome back to Cooking Maintenance. Today I'm going to show you a bad light switch or occupancy sensor, an easy way to test these without a meter. They can seem pretty complicated, but today I'm going to show you how you can easily test if your light switch is bad or if your occupancy sensor is what's causing the problem. So let's jump right in there. Okay, today I've got a problem with an occupancy sensor. It's not turning on the lights, it should turn on these lights here. And on my meter, what I've got is a non-contact voltage detector to show whether we have voltage. And checking here at the lights, we got voltage. We got no lights. So I'll turn the switch. Still at voltage. That's weird. Yep, we definitely have a problem there. Okay, not quite sure what the problem is yet. Of course, the easy thing was to try changing a light bulb, which I did, but still no power. I think we actually have a bad switch, but we don't know until we test it out. I haven't turned out power yet at the breaker. Do that next. And I'll take a peek. Again, my guess is we lost the neutral. Or we have a bad switch. Or both. Okay, now it's time to turn on the power. The switch does seem to be working. Just turn out all the breakers to be safe. Got a little light here. And we'll take a look. Switched hot, regular hot. And neutral. Like that. Everything seems okay there. Still think we have a bad switch, I guess. Let's see odds on this deal. So there's one real easy way to prove it, and that's to jump the switch, the hot, and the connection here, and that'll rule out the deal. So let me do that, and then it won't be switched, it'll just be on the breaker, and that'll tell us if it's the switch or not. So that's our constant hot, that's our switched hot, and just going to mark that one so I know which one is our constant hot. So it's got a bit of white on it there with the black stripe. So that's our constant hot. Okay, so we'll just connect these across here. It's just bypassing the switch. And we'll reset our breaker, and if our lights come on, we know it's our switch that's bad. So here we go, let's turn the breakers back on. There it is. Yep, we got a bad switch. So I'll just change the switch out, turn the breakers back out. That's all it was, and here's the proof right there. Lights on. Okay. So that's an easy one. Get a new switch, change it out. Good to go.